Now let's review the facts of this case. If you are a law student, lawyer, or legal professional, click below for the complete case video, including the review of the parties, procedural posture and history, case issue, court holding and rulings, policy established, case key terms, and much more. Groves, the plaintiff and assignee of the original landowner, entered into a lease agreement with the Wunder Company. The contract allowed the defendant to remove sand and gravel from the property using Groves's screening plant. A crucial term of the agreement required that, upon completing the excavation, the defendant would restore the land to a uniform grade. This condition was essential to the value and future usability of the land. However, the Wunder Company breached the agreement by selectively extracting only the richest and most profitable gravel deposits, ignoring the rest. The company deliberately avoided the expense of grading the land as required, leaving the property in a rough, uneven, and damaged condition. Groves surveyed the land after the lease ended and found it far from the condition promised in the contract. He brought a lawsuit seeking the full cost required to restore the land to its originally agreed condition. The defendant argued that the land's market value had not significantly diminished, and that damages should be limited to the difference in value rather than the cost of full performance. The Minnesota Supreme Court disagreed and awarded Groves the full restoration cost, emphasizing the importance of enforcing the contract's specific terms. To view the entire video explanation and the thousands of additional case and topic videos, click below and subscribe for optimal law school performance.